I'm going to be choosing her. So today I'm going to be painting on a vinyl record. I'm sorry, Teresa Duffy, but your new sounds in Scottish music have got to go. So what I'm going to be doing today is a collaboration with fellow Aussie YouTuber friends, artists, and they are all doing an artwork of their favourite music album. So today I've kind of stretched the boundaries of the theme for myself because my favourite album is Pixie's Surfer Rosa. It does have the word surf in there, so maybe I could have done something, but I've gone with painting on a vinyl record. So I've painted a wave and it's come out very nicely. And poor old Teresa, sorry, but we're not going to be listening to you any longer because I've put paint all over you. At any rate, I hope you enjoy this little toot on how to paint on a record as well, because I do give instructions and it's lots of fun. I had a great time. Don't forget to check out the other artists as well. They're all Australian and they're wonderful artists. I've put the links to their channels in the description below. They are Cutest Voodoo, Ella Persimmon Art, Lee Elks Art, Laurie Faye Art, Stuff by Sunshine, and Withrins. They're all wonderful artists, so do yourself a favour and go check them out. Anyway, let's get on with the video and see how I got the wave on the record by Teresa Duffy, who can no longer be played, thank goodness. enjoyed that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment and ask me about how I went about this perhaps. It was lots of fun, obviously, and pretty happy. I'm probably going to varnish it as well so that the paint won't come off and it will stay around for a long time. And then I've got to work out how to actually mount it so that it will hang on the wall in some way. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Please consider subscribing, help a YouTuber out, and yeah, check back for more videos. I hope to be doing some more Himi gouache videos too, because they're lots of fun and I know you all love it. But anyway, thanks again for joining me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.